Hello, everybody. Today, I will show you how to pet a dog. Shadow, can I pet you? Thank you. Please hold still. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay.
This is how to pet a dog. You rub your hand across her fur, just like this. Sometimes you can pet her on her chest, in her belly. Sometimes you can pet her on her head. You see she like it very much.
What?
Just like this. Okay. And that is the video for today. It is time to go. Shadow, can you say thank you? Shadow, say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Okay, good girl. Have a nice day, please, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and my dog has disappeared. Goodbye.